Welcome to Wolf Chevrolet. Today we're taking a closer look at some of the interior and exterior features in our 2022 Chevrolet Equinox. This Equinox is featured in the LT trim and is a white paint finish. It includes features such as heated front seats, a powered tailgate, backup camera with adaptive guidelines, Apple Carplay and Android Auto, as well as lane keep assist, and all-wheel drive. Now starting off in the front of the vehicle, we can see we have a chrome finish door handle. Just beyond that is our door locks and unlocks. Moving down, we have the controls for our powered outside mirrors with blind spot monitors, window locks, as well as powered window controls. In the bottom of the door, some additional storage, and the controls for our powered liftgate. Just to the left of the steering wheel, we have all of our lighting controls. Moving to the middle, we can see our display cluster with a digital information system in the middle. Left-hand side of the steering wheel has our cruise settings with our forward collision detection in the center and lane keep assist. Right-hand side of the steering wheel has our hands-free, as well as the controls to adjust our digital information system. Moving to the center, we have our infotainment system with AM/FM audio, Sirius satellite radio, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto. It also functions as our backup camera with adaptive guidelines. Below, we have some additional controls if we aren't using the touchscreen. Then we have our auto stop start engine button, hazard lights, our dual zone front climate control, as well as our heated seats for the driver and passenger. In the bottom, a USB-C, USB, auxiliary, and 12-volt plug, and some storage. Then in front of our shifter, we have our all-wheel drive button and our parking settings, which is in front of our cup holders. In the back here, we can see our key in a storage space. The top unlocks and lock button, remote starter, as well as our powered liftgate and alarm system. Inside the center console, we can see that we have deep storage, as well as storage on top. Moving to these seats, we can see they are finished in a black and gray cloth with a orange trim and are heated in the front of the vehicle. Lastly, above the rear view mirror, we have the controls for our OnStar, rear check reminder, as well as lighting controls, and a sunglass holder. Now walking down the side of the vehicle, moving down to our tires and rims, we can see that we have an alloy finish with a Chevrolet bow tie center cap. Moving up, we have a paint match powered outside mirrors, as well as paint match in both our front and back door handles, which also include keyless entry. Moving around to the back of the vehicle, we can see all of our Equinox badging, as well as our all-wheel drive and LT badging. We have a Chevrolet bow tie in black. Just below that Chevrolet bow tie, we can see our backup camera. We also have a button underneath to open our powered liftgate. We can also do it through our keys or through the front of the vehicle. In the back, we can see we have 60/40 folding split, as well as some additional storage underneath, and plenty of storage space. Now moving to the rear of the vehicle, we have a chrome finish door handle, our powered window control, as well as some storage in the bottom of the door. Moving inside between the front two seats, we have our rear vents, as well as two USBs for charging. Passenger seat has a storage compartment. Moving to the seats themselves, we can see they are a black and gray cloth finish with an orange trim. In our center seat, we can see that we have two foldable cup holders, and we have three seats in the back of the vehicle in a 60/40 folding split. Thank you for joining me for this quick video walk around of the 2022 Chevrolet Equinox. If you enjoyed, please be sure to subscribe for more daily videos, and we hope to see you at Wolf Chevrolet soon.